eby'oburambuzi omu district ya Rubirizi nibyeyongera okubaje kandi bamwe mu bebembezi abari mu nteekateeka zo kwombeka tourism development center nibajanguza ahwire kandi biine amasiko ngu nikija kuhwera okutaho omutindo omu by'oburambuzi omu district egi.
Tourism development center. We have set our engineer is going to go on ground, next BOQs. So in that development center, it can be kind of an office. It can be a place where we shall put all, maybe have a documentary of all our tourism potentials in the district. And we believe that even these people selling crafts, they shall all be in such a facility.
Eby'oburambuzi bwa Rubirizi biriyo bigeze kutunguka a speed ya yiriyiri abo kugira kurge nyuma twazo mu karcha yitu ya Rubirizi abantu abingi bakaba batakora eby'oburambuzi byo mugasho kuzo bakaba besingira byo buhingi byo kutunga cyuka finally abo mataka kwizana gafunda hata abantu barebere kandi tourism twire tujine amanyanja twine minjo mu Rubirizi cyuka bataka gafiro garaja so kurya mebyenyanja nko wire bukire barabinega kurakuranisa akasakura kwanase eby'oburambuzi kandi abantu aheru ba investors batangiye kwiza ko twine hoteli zikomara makumyana mu Rubirizi kandi zona zikubesinga eby'oburambuzi bwa Rubirizi
shangire ngu ebirukore eby'oburambuzi mu district ya Rubirizi nke ya rutoto erukumanywa nkankugute erukurwambe mwa habinyanja ebirukumanywa nka crayfish
pendinga munonga crayfish kandi kuza kuzimanya zitaruho mu kubanza emyaka byo muri yabiri no musozi babirisi bitarumu n'ababirisi babitamu bine kigendura cyo kubiriya ningira then kutwa bituryaho tuguma ntubireba nibitambura takamanyira mu gasho gwabyo then antiri kubize nibabironda twatire twabakwatira basika barya amuheru bagumaniriza nibatubuza
abebembezi hona nabagira ngu nobwe byinyanje bibyina katare kingi na mnongo mba China akatare kabyo kakirumwe bituri
konkaga ntubisoha bari nibo bakutukorebe toka atuno bimusindikira bawe yabiguza mitwarenga hi yiwe toyine yokatari kandi no banza wabimusindikira abona kuguza abona kusindikira se atecho nacho norangu nekizibu kikabe nkindo yuzabo uzamezora muzi kintu cyawe akabwe nakugura nko kuyaye atecho nacho nekizibu
Katsime Marcel orukumanywa nka private lecturer enkunze eby'obuhangwa ayorekere ekizibu cyo kutahirira enyanja n'abantu bakashisha.
All plastic and porcelain papers which come from the main road from the town of Nkuguti, they are all poured in this lake. And remember, we get water that we drink from this lake. As a concerned citizen and as a nature lover, it is a very big problem.
Please, let us look at Rubirizi as a tourism district. And the only way we can do that is one, just like he's saying, we need to clean our town. It looks very awkward when we call ourselves a tourism district, when we are full of litter from the entry of Rubirizi to each exit at the channel. We need to work together. We've had this challenge. We've tried as Queen Elizabeth the other side, but still most of the things are running from the hills, our craters, down.
Eby'oburambuzi mu district egi okutwariza hamwe biliyoni bizaharurengo rundi kandi abatura nabashabwa kubikuma gasha kwa Onesimus Ndyanabo.